Right. So I believe that there are three types of inheritance, all right?
Mm-hmm.
But your language, no, actually there are four types. Four types, yes, four types of inheritance. But your language, like our language that we're studying from, only supports three of them. Okay, so it doesn't support the
Right.
fourth one. So the three types of inheritance that it does support include single inheritance. Okay,
Yeah.
single inheritance. Okay, now what is single inheritance?
One of the objects in a class can be used in another class.
It's a good attempt, but it's kind of like just the example that we did. It's
Mm-hmm.
just like one class inheriting from another class, and that's it. Okay.
Right. Okay.
So in the example that we did, we had like dog. Even this example is like single inheritance. Okay, since the child class extends from the parent class, and that's it. End of story. Okay.
Right.
So over here it's the same thing. There is just one inheritance taking place, which is from animal to dog, and that's it. Okay. So
Mm,
this
okay.
is single inheritance. Uh, just let me write the definition. Okay, great. Yeah. This pen is so bad. My writing is just bad. So I have to look up at my phone for the definition, and
No problem. No problem.
yeah,
Don't worry.
I don't remember them by heart. I can't remember them by heart.
That's fine. It's
I
fine.
wanted to, I would be able to like write them as good as if I were to memorize them. You get it by the way.
Yeah.
Great. So now we're gonna just do the next one, which is hierarchical. Hierarchical. I am not sure if I got pronunciation right, but it's hierarchical. Hierarchical inheritance. So it's a weird word. I mean, the spellings are good. The word is not good.
Mm-hmm.
Hierarchical inheritance. So it's kind of like I'm just gonna give you a very good example for it. Grandfather, father,
Okay.
son. Okay.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So it's like grandfather. Okay, so the father inherits from the grandfather, and the
Yeah.
son inherits from the father. Okay.
Right. Right.
So yeah, that's hierarchical for you. Wait a second. Wait. I think I'm wait. It's not. Hmm. Last time I said it was hierarchical. Oh, I'm sorry about that. That's multi-level. Okay, that's not
Oh. Okay.
hierarchical.
Okay.
That's multi-level. Hierarchical is a bit different. Multi-level. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna change the name. I was.
Hierarchical made sense though because it was like from a hierarchy from top to bottom,
Yeah, it does make sense.
right?
Yeah, it does. But yeah, I honestly had confused it. I had confused the concept. I didn't
It's
understand
fine. So, what would be the difference between these two?
multi-level and hierarchical.
Yeah.
I'm gonna draw a sketch for you, okay? But for now,
Okay, sure.
the hierarchical one is like from, let's say, grandfather to father to son.
Right.
Yeah. So it's like this. The definition is sort of okay. So it's basically a class can inherit from a child class. So the child class is already probably inheriting from a parent class, right? That's why they call it a child class. Okay. So I'm just elaborating this definition. A class can inherit from a child class. So child class is probably inheriting from a parent class, and when that class, which is inheriting from the child class, does that, it kind of forms a chain of inheritance from the parent class to the child class to the class which is inheriting from the child class. We could just use the father, grandfather, father, son example. That's just better.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Talk about hierarchical inheritance, and then I'm gonna draw a sketch for you, and then I'm gonna talk about that one inheritance that is not available. We're gonna talk about
Mm-hmm.
it. Not gonna go in depth. Hierarchical inheritance. Class. All right. It's multiple classes inherit from the same from a single parent class. So it's like a parent having multiple children.
Hmm. Okay.
Just gonna draw a sketch. Then we're gonna do the examples and then we're gonna hit the polymorphism. Okay. Alright, so by the definition you probably would have already realized how we're going to draw a sketch. Multi-level inheritance is like this. Let's say we have a father, or sorry, grandfather. Let's just call him. Okay.
All right.
Then we're gonna have a father. Then we're gonna have a. So all the attributes and methods of the grandfather are like available to the father and to the son, right?
Right.
And all the attributes and methods of the father are available to the son. So it has both the attributes of the grandfather, both the methods of the grandfather and the father, right? It has both of these for both of like father and grandfather. Uh, that's how it's working over here for multi-level inheritance. Okay, you get it?
Right. Yeah.
Now, if you were to talk about hierarchical inheritance, by the way, your school probably would have had started by now, right?
It has. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So you got any homework? Any?
No homework as of right now. But we did start with object-oriented programming,
Great.
surprisingly. So, uh, we started off with the right chapter actually early on.
You started with which chapter?
Object-oriented programming.
Yeah.
So you and I started off at the right chapter early on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I checked that out. Okay. Right. So multi-level inheritance, it's kind of like so did you get any homework or anything? Any quiz?
No, we haven't yet. Not yet.
Right, great. Okay. We'll have one parent. We'll have one parent, and we'll have multiple children. Okay, like I'm just gonna
Okay.
name the children, like Jack, James, and Hannah. Okay, great.
Okay.
So they all have the attributes and methods of the parent. Okay,
Okay.
so this is a hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so don't confuse them. I can't do the spelling right now. Okay, so
Mhm.
so yeah, this is hierarchical inheritance. I'm just gonna give you example for both,
Right.
and I forgot the fourth type of inheritance, which is not possible with Java. Forgot to discuss. By the way, did you understand the above ones?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, great. Mostly about the definition. I know that it's boring, it's theory, and it's not that fun, but
Yeah.
but we have to do it.
Right. I mean, it's not that boring. I'd say it's still pretty interesting to know about what is essentially the backbone of Java, since it's so
All right, it's boring
heavily
for
like.
me, man. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna
Uh-huh.
be honest with you.
That is fair. That's totally fair.
So multiple inheritance. Okay. Java doesn't
Okay.
support multiple inheritance with class. Okay. Okay.
All
And
right.
the definition is sort of like what should I say? Inheriting from two parent classes as a child class. Okay.
Okay.
So it's inheriting from two parent classes as a child class. That's like explanatory. It's available in C++, not available in Java. However, if you want to use multiple inheritance, you can use it via interfaces. Okay, there's something
Right.
else. You don't need to study them. I hope you don't need to study them. But
Mm-hmm.
that's how multiple inheritance works. Okay, so it's like you can have like a mother and a father. Okay, right?
Right. Yeah.
That's an example. Mother,
Okay.
father, and son. Okay. Now,
Right.
Now, this is a kind of a multiple inheritance. So, all of the stuff or all of the learned things from the mother and the father,
Mm-hmm.
okay, is going to be given to the son. Okay, or daughter.
Right.
I'm just not going with son, okay? Son for now. Okay, so this is one class. It inherits from both of these, okay? So, this is
Right.
multiple inheritance. So, it's not a part of your, probably not a part of your syllabus. I'll check it out though.
Okay.
Okay, but I do not think it will be a part of the syllabus. Right. Great. Now I'm gonna do the code for it, and then we're gonna head towards
Okay.
the next pillar of object-oriented programming. Okay. So we have something like what is it? A multi-level inheritance, right? The yeah, it's not right. Okay, can you think of an example? Example code, class name, something.
Hmm. Car.
Okay, car. Let's do car. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Well, some of the attributes, color maybe.
Color. Horsepower.
By the way,
Mileage.
you're thinking like we have to yes, like kind of make the use of car in the next class. So so keep that in mind. car will
All
be
right.
used as like a base class for the next class, right?
Yeah.
So car works, right?
Okay.
Okay. Then I have something like color, right? What else? Engine, horsepower, maybe.
Horsepower, yes. Mileage.
Mileage should do. All right, that's great.
I think mileage would be a double, right?
Yeah, sure. Can we get a double?
Okay.
Yeah, it's better as a
Brand.
double. It's better as a double.
Yeah.
You should probably be careful with these. I am not. However, you should. Okay. Yeah,
Sure.
you can lose marks. I'm not even joking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You can lose marks. Okay, so we're not gonna provide the default constructor for now. Okay, we're not gonna provide anything for now. We're just gonna write a class in the class,
Okay.
and that class can be, what can that class be? Maybe that class can be since we're doing multi-level inheritance, we have to think of something which comes from car, and then the thing which comes from car has something which comes from it. Okay,
Okay.
so let me just think. Okay, car. What about car that? So we're doing hierarchical inheritance, and we have car. What can you think of from car? Something that makes just like a grandfather, father, son.
Okay.
Something that needs a car. Okay, it's base class
Yeah.
and needs to add a few more things. Just let's just break down the problem. Let's just say, okay, let's just
Okay.
say, since all the attributes of a car, let's say it's vehicle, right? Okay, it's not a car, it's a vehicle, okay?
Okay.
And then we're gonna say this vehicle is a this vehicle is a bus, okay? We're
Okay.
gonna squad about bus, wait. Let's look for something. Okay, it's a wagon, okay?
Right.
Okay. Because I the best I could think of was Volkswagen, so I was like, okay, it's
Hmm.
a wagon. So extends vehicle, right? So
Yeah.
So now it has all the attributes of vehicle, right? And
Okay.
now it can have like extra attributes like maybe things like doors, okay?
Hmm.
Or
Okay.
things like what else could have wagon have different maybe
Number of seats.
number of seats, yeah, number of seats. It could have like double dimension,
Right.
okay? Dimension is very important for a wagon. And now we're gonna just say, okay, we're gonna have a Volkswagen, okay? So we're
Right.
getting more and more specific as we go down, right? You can see that, right?
Right. Yeah.
So we're gonna have something like double price and what else?
Fuel usage.
That comes in mileage, right?
Okay. Okay.
Something
Right.
that's specific to Volkswagen, like expensive
Hmm.
price. Okay.
Speed.
What else? See,
Speed. I mean speed.
speed, I think that comes in. That should be covered in like vehicle, something which is specific to Volkswagen. Maybe something that is like heated seats. Okay, something that is
Oh yes. Yes. Okay.
specific to a Volkswagen. Something that's specific to a brand. Maybe uh, what is specific to Volkswagen?
Um.
Maybe version. Okay, so it can
Okay.
be like
Sure.
a string model. Okay, yeah, model would
Hmm.
do.
Right.
Yeah, model is better than even price. Price is all right. Model is better. Just like a model number or whatever. Okay. So that's what's happening over here. We started inheriting from vehicle. Then as vehicle has all such things like color, mileage, horsepower, and then wagon has like different sort of things. Okay, different sort of
Yeah.
requirements, different sort of things. So, but it has some of the similarities. Of course, it's a vehicle. Wagon is also a vehicle, so it has doors. So it has color, it has horsepower, it has mileage. The number of doors may vary between a wagon and a like car and a truck. Okay, so doors are specific to a wagon, right?
Right.
Number of seats are specific to a wagon. Okay,
Right.
and the dimension is specific since the dimension is something that is important for a wagon. Okay, people check that out. And yeah, then there's Volkswagen, and it has important stuff like attributes as the expensive price and model. Okay, so these are some of the
Right.
important things. Maybe yeah, these kind of things which are specific to Volkswagen. Okay,
Mm.
maybe pretty
Oh,
much
okay.
simple.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, these kind of things. Okay, which are specific to a
Okay.
Volkswagen are mentioned over here. So that's how hierarchical inheritance is working. Okay, and
Okay.
you get it right.
Yeah.
Great. So now we're gonna create a new one, which is gonna be. Sorry, this is multi-level inheritance. Why am I confusing these up? This is multi-level inheritance. I'm so sorry. Okay, this is
It's all right.
multi-level
It's all
inheritance.
right.
Okay, man. So this is multi-level inheritance. And
Okay.
hierarchical inheritance we're gonna just do. Let's just start. Oh my goodness, I just mixed them up again. Yeah, I kinda feel like they should have like names of each other.
They should swap the names.
Yeah, they
Yes.
should definitely swap the names. I mean, it doesn't make sense.
I
Or
know. Yeah.
yeah, but it is what it is. So okay, just tell me the spelling of hierarchical if I'm writing them right, because I am not sure. Are they right?
That is the correct spelling. Yes.
Yes. Yes, finally got it right. Man, I attained an A star in English, but now it's just I don't care enough.
And that's the spirit.
Yeah, not caring. That's something. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick an example because last time I had a lot of difficulty. Okay, so
Okay.
so let's just pick a really good example. Something like one thing that is needed everywhere. Something like one
Okay.
thing which is needed like a lot of at a lot of places. Okay, so what is that one thing that is needed at a lot of places? Maybe do you know about like companies? Do you study companies or maybe like do you know that PepsiCo has like Lay's and everything and it has
Yeah.
different
Yes.
names,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
right?
Yes.
So kind of like that. So I'm just gonna write PepsiCo. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a brand like this is PepsiCo, right? Okay. You could write Unilever
Right.
or anything, and you could like stuff like have like things like int number of items, maybe number of products.
Okay.
Okay, number of products, double total revenue. Okay, stuff like that, specific to
Right.
PepsiCo. Then we could have a class Lay's extends from PepsiCo, right?
Okay.
Okay, so Lay's can have like it can have its number of employees. By the way, it can have like number of employees, and Lay's can have its own number of employees. Okay,
Okay.
and Lay's can have its own number of employees, right? Right.
Yeah. For sure.
But for that, if we were to write the same variable name, wouldn't it be confusing?
It can be. Yes. At times.
So you'd study something in the future which is virtual, okay, which is gonna be used to cater for this problem. It's quite fun. We write virtual over here, and that means that if the same variable, the same method is like written down Okay, then the one written in the child class, like lace, will be given preference. Okay.
Okay.
So right now we're not gonna talk about that since it's a topic for another lecture. I just give you an introduction. Okay, so lace and what else does lace? What does lace have? It has it has like okay, it has something like packaging. Right. Oh, it has a one thing. Okay, it's gonna be fun. Uh, string. Like, do they add helium or what do they add in this? Helium, right?
Oh, not helium. No,
I'm
no, no,
not
no.
sure what they add. What's that?
Let me see.
Not helium. That was fun.
Nitrogen gas.
Nitrogen gas. Percentage of nitrogen gas.
That doesn't make it any better.
Yeah. So that's something specific to lace. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. Then we're gonna have a class of Pepsi. This is not PepsiCo, it's Pepsi, okay?
Right.
You can have Mountain Dew as well. I think Mountain Dew is from PepsiCo.
Sure.
So,
Fanta. I think Fanta is also from PepsiCo.
okay, let's do Fanta. Okay, let's just add a string like color. Okay,
Okay.
string like what else do we have? Fizz, maybe. Okay, specific stuff. Number of calories would be mentioned over here. You see, and over here. So we can write number of calories, maybe string calories. Okay, so since these classes are not inheriting from one another and they have like mostly Lays and Fanta have different attributes and they can have some similarities and it doesn't matter, we won't be using inheritance between them just for the sake of one attribute. Okay, so just clarifying that.
Yeah.
So and they have no link between them. Okay, even if you write virtual or not, they have no link until there is no inheritance from one class to another. You get it?
Okay.
uh yeah, so basically we're done. We can I should probably make the main. I didn't make the main for even this one. Let's just make the main, it's fun, but for that I have to copy the main from somewhere else. Okay, so we're gonna just write the main for the vehicle one. Bad example, kind of like an average example.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna have something like Volkswagen as a data type, right? And
Yeah.
what can we have as a variable name like Abdullah Volkswagen? Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Wait, what? Oh, I'm sorry. I, yeah. Wait, what is happening? Isn't this?
Single.
Yeah, it's single.
You
I'm
might.
pressing the single one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just forget it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how we roll. Yeah. So we use a default constructor right here. Okay. Now
Okay.
we can have all sort of stuff like Abdullah's color. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not gonna write. I'm just gonna change the name because I don't like Abdullah's color.
Sure.
Okay. Uh, we'll see. Yeah, that's good.
Wow.
Yeah, I couldn't think of anything else. Okay, it's better than Abdullah's color. Okay, Boxi's color. So
All
it's
right.
having an error. Yeah, it's having an error. Not a statement. Not a statement. Let me just check this one out. The string color string is available vehicle. Okay, so what's the possible fix according to them? All right, that's just like dumb stuff. We just have to like place it in a variable. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Like color of your car maybe. Okay, that's it. So we can call all the stuff like that. We can have stuff like we just use color right here from vehicle. We could use something like dimension from wagon. Okay,
Yeah.
we have something like dimension. So dimension is a double, so we can just say double car dimension, and we're gonna have, okay, we'll see dot number of seats. Nope, dimension. Okay, so that's how it's working. And
Okay.
now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna just copy that main, change it, and then we're gonna write Fanta. Okay, Rayan's Fanta.
Okay.
Did I get the spelling right? Right?
Perfect. Yeah.
Great. Okay. New Fanta. Because I have like two different kinds of friends, and they have like spelling like RAYAN and
Ah, yes.
and
The
RAB.
classic, the classic spelling.
The classic
I
spelling.
have the most unique variation.
Yeah, you have like
Uh,
the most unique variation, truly.
right. I know a friend whose name is Ryan. So it's more like Rayan than Ryan, which
R
is
A
quite
Y
interesting.
A N.
Ryan.
RYAN. That reminds me of the Ryan from Taken. I- Yeah.
Yeah, it does. It does. Yes, you're right. You're right.
Okay.
But I love how my name has like all these spelling variations. It's quite interesting. It's like a new surprising Pokemon. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so we have stuff like number of calories popping up. You can see that. All right. I
Uh-huh.
just wrote N, Brian's Fanta. I just wrote
Okay.
N and stuff started coming up. Now we have number of products from PepsiCo also being available over here. Okay. So we can access stuff like number of products, and we can place it in a variable, and it'll work without any errors, right?
Mm-hmm.
So stuff like number of products, I don't think so Fanta needs to know about the number of products that PepsiCo has. Okay, or maybe it does, I'm not sure. Let's just leave it at that. How are you going to use stuff that you need later on? Okay,
Okay.
right. So total revenue, number of products, maybe they're listed, right,
Yeah.
in the packaging, that PepsiCo has all these other stuff. You can try them out. So yeah, maybe Rayon's find that number. I'll just place it in a variable, just int dot products. Okay, so this works.